We are at the Composite Makanpur school, and I am surrounded by children who have graduated or are still in this school. These are older kids in grade 8 and higher, and I want to thank each and every one of you who together with Holistic Workshop has brought joy and happiness in the lives of these children and made a difference today. I'm immensely grateful, and so are these children. Rain.
Nidhi and Pavi Gupta, Kiran Kashyap and Shamir Malik,
Dr. Aman Gist, Rupa and Inder Sharvati,
Linda and Scott Hull, Christina and Scott Dickman, Tina and Green Cornwall, Manju and Brahma Gupta,
Sheila Nothal, Meltin, Meghalin, Behu.
Very good.
Johan Mirasova, Dennis Kroshi, Susan, Agri Shia and Mick, Blacking, Arun and Murray.
Sherry and Mike Bickler, Anu and Maddie Hegre.
Taru and Anurag Jain, Karur and Robert Vanzes.
Vangels, thank
Sri
you.
and Venkat Taluri, Casey and Mikey and K. Pledge,
Prerna and Ashish Agarwal, Mary Pat and Bort Liptek.
Bhagar as Paul Skin, Hoffman as
Jalpa and Nikesh Patel,
Susan and Sachibal Land, Tisha as Naveen Nagrani, Richa as Amit Dhawan.
Divya and Amit Khanna,
It's loud. Age आवाज.
Sumati and Atul Khosla. Monica and Mike Wagner, thank you.
Divya Jain, Abhay and John Food, Rajesh.
Amy and John Schultz, thank you.
Gayatri as Deepak Sondhi, Sunita as Rajesh Sahu, Srishti as Rukhbir Bhatt.
Sophia Charlie, Paulding, Nancy, Paulding.
It's complicated when you must ask it.
Silpa and Himal Puri, Sujita and Latif.
Thank you so much, each and every one of you. It's not just us, it's all of us together who has made a difference, and we are so grateful to you that we will continue on this journey together to make a difference in the life of these kids and beyond. So thank you again.